These cats aren't just pets, they're emotional support heroes. Some cats comfort their humans when they're sad, stressed, or completely overwhelmed. They don't need training or instructions. Somehow they just know. A quiet purr, a soft cuddle, and suddenly the day feels a little better. Cats might look independent, but when their humans need them, they show up. They sit beside you, follow you around, and refuse to leave your side. They may not understand our problems, but they understand our feelings. Maybe emotional support doesn't need words. Sometimes it just needs a cat.